Hey guys, welcome to WPCliffsNotes, where we teach tips, tricks, and hacks about WordPress. So guys, in today's video, I just want to talk a little bit about where I've been in 2018, the last part of 2018, and where we're going in 2019. In the last half of 2018, I had a ton of client work. So I was off YouTube for a little while. I'm regrouping in 2019, and in February of 2019, I want to cover ACF, some more ACF videos. I want to cover Elementor. I want to cover how to integrate ACF and Elementor, and if we have enough time, I want to cover a little bit about Gutenberg. I know I'm late to the game, but I still want to cover it. If you're as excited about WPCliffsNotes and learning more about web development and WordPress in 2019, guys, stay tuned to my channel and look forward to more videos. Reaching for a distant star.